Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Tuesday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 25th of June 2024. US Dow Jones rose 0.67%, settling the day at 39,411.21 while Nasdaq ended the session at 17,500.60, falling 1.07%. In Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 38,973.54 and Hang Seng is trading at 18,058.29. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 23,566.50, indicating a muted start for the Indian market. FII sold 653.97 crore in the cash market in the last trading session. Prestige Estates Projects Limited has picked 4 investment banks as advisors for its Big Bang Keep. The firm has engaged investment banks Kotak Mahindra Capital, JP Morgan, JM Financial and CLSA for the deal, which is likely to get kicked off this week. Force Motors partners with Parthanon India for digital transformation program. TVS Electronics adds electronics manufacturing services at Karnataka plant. Now talking about global aspects, a strategist survey reveals a shift in its clients' expectations regarding Federal Reserve policy. While still anticipating 2 rate cuts in 2024, investors now look towards November and December rather than September. China is gravely concerned and firmly opposed to US proposed rules for curbing certain investments in China, and reserves the right to take corresponding measures, the Chinese Commerce Ministry said. WTI settled at $81.63 a barrel, gaining 1.1%, while Brent settled at $86.01 a barrel, gaining 0.9%. The dollar index is trading at 105.12. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 4.23%. Here is a recap of Monday's trading session. Domestic equity indices are experiencing a consolidation phase. In the near term, market strength is likely to remain intact due to the Bank Nifty, buoyed by institutional buying, particularly from FIIs, who have turned net buyers. Key equity indices, Sensex and Nifty, closed the day with minor gains at 77,341.08 and 23,537.85, respectively. The sectoral landscape remained mixed, with sectoral churn potentially accelerating as profit booking occurs in the media, metal, energy, and IT sectors, while funds flow into the auto, realty, and FMCG sectors. Outlook for the day: in the Nifty index, daily chart analysis indicates that Nifty has been consolidating within a broad range of 23,300 to 23,700, and this trend is likely to continue. There are no significant triggers for aggressive buying or selling at present. Bank Nifty continued its bullish continuation, closing the session above the critical 51,500 level, where substantial call-side open interest has accumulated. To confirm an upward trend toward the 53,000 level, the index must decisively break the 52,200 mark. Stocks on radar are BBTC, Root, Hikal, Bombay Dyeing. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.